Hello, my good people. How are you doing? I trust God has kept you well. For those that are new on this channel, welcome to the family. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back to support this beautiful girl. Thank you so much, yo. And for those who are good at watching and you're not subscribing, really, why? Anyways, please do subscribe, comment, share. Let's build this community. Let's make it big, okay? So, anyways, I've been promising you guys to make a video about financial investment, and I was like, why not today? So guess what? Today I'm here to talk about the unit trust and why should you invest in the unit trust. Yeah. So personally, I do YouTube. Yes, I'm a content creator, but I also have a job. Yes, I have it's called an 8 to 5 8 to 5 job, and I work in now. Yes, I work in finance and investment. It's an institution that deals in finance and investment, basically making money. So I'm here. I'm not here to advertise anybody, but I'm here to give out ideas, So anyway, I'm doing this video basically to benefit those who pick interest, who are interested in building finances. How do you grow your money, or how, some people have money but they don't even know how to use it. Yes, I know some of you may think I'm joking, but it's for real. At least I've dealt with some people who have come to us or to me, and it's like I have my money, I have 100 million, but it's just in the bank and I don't know what to do about it. And we're like, hey, you're in the right hands. So basically, I'm here to talk about how you can grow these finances, okay? So when we talk about unit trust, okay, what is unit trust? One would wonder, what is unit trust? A unit trust basically means an unincorporated mutual fund that holds assets and provides interest to the investor. And who is the investor? That is you, okay? So basically what this means is, this is a way through which wealth is accumulated from the contributions that you, the investor, brings in, okay? And so these are pulled together and used to purchase financial securities such as bonds, cash, bank deposits, to mention but a few. So basically, that's what unit trust means. So personally, I work with OMIC Uganda, which is All Mutual Investment Group, and what we do is you invest this money with us, and then we give you the interest. So this interest is an annual. We have an annual interest rate, though the difference here is this interest is compounded on a daily. So what happens is, when you invest your money, your investments, okay, your funds, your money starts to make interest on a daily, okay? So this interest is broken down on a daily basis, such that even if you invested, even if it's just a week, you'll be able to earn interest out of that money in that particular period, for as long as your money is still, is with us, okay? I hope you're understanding. I really hope you're understanding, guys. Comment down below where you are not understanding, and I'll come back and explain, okay? So that's what happens. So all you do is continue to invest, and the sweetest thing about this is you invest this money at your own interest, like at your own pace. That's what I should say. There is no fixed or a limited period of time, okay? So what I'm trying to say is, You can choose to invest every day, you can choose to invest weekly, you can choose to invest once a month or even once a year, depending on what you're investing. So the more you invest, the bigger the funds, the bigger the interest. That's what I should say. So I can give the example of someone who has built a rental and people, do pay monthly. Okay, that's what I want to relate to this investment. So this is the same thing. You invested your money and every month you're gaining interest. We pay you, or we reward you with an interest. Meanwhile, your capital is still there working. So the beautiful thing about this is, first of all, your funds are very safe because we are regulated. The company is regulated, okay? It is regulated. That means that your money is not going to disappear. Some people have that fear because when we were back, there are some organizations or companies or banks that have had that issue where they close and then they were, but these funds are regulated by URSB, the Capital Markets Authority, to mention but a few, okay? So your funds are very safe, okay? So why am I even bringing all this up? All I want is to inspire someone, like I already said. Yes. So, I know I've used an example of bigger funds, but imagine the minimum is 100,000. Yes, 100,000 Ugandan shillings. And you start investing your money. Imagine if you invested your money for your child who is less in primary, and every month or every week or every day you're investing this money in the unit trust. By the time this child gets to university, or even HSC or high school, do you know how much you would have made? Yes, small, but it makes, sense at the end of the day. So that's basically what the unit trust does. So for someone there who is, one would wonder, why should I not put my money in the bank? Why should I invest with you? With the unit trust. So the difference here is, the bank, unless if it's maybe the fixed account, because I've used the bank before, okay? It's in the fixed bit of it where you gain usually the interest. Like if you fix your money for a specific period of time and you don't withdraw until the maturity time comes. But now, with the unit trust, imagine your money is also kept, it is safe, okay? But it's in use. Meanwhile, it's not sleeping. That's what I should say. Your money is not sleeping. It's working. It's making more money for you, okay? You are gaining interest. Instead of your money just sleeping in the bank, your money is actually making more money. You understand? I don't know if you get my point. So that's where the difference is when it comes to the unit trust and the bank. Okay? This one is, making something for you. It may not be so big, but it's not just sleeping. You get? Anyway, so that is why I would advise you to actually do invest in the unit trust than just leaving your money to, sleep there and get it the same way you dropped it there. Okay? So basically, by the time you're withdrawing your money, and the good thing is also you also have access to your money. It's not like it's fixed or it's locked up or whatever. In case you get an issue or you want to get some of your money, you're able to withdraw it. You just make a request, and these are things that are done online. Just using your phone, the laptop, you're able to, request, and your money is given to you. Guys, you can even actually just ask or make a request and say, I want my money to be, let the interest be given to me on a monthly basis, okay? So every interest that you gain in that particular month is deposited to your personal account. You get? So that is it about the unit trust. It's not that, I just don't want to make this video so long, but based on the questions that you will give me, I will come back and do And then the next video I'll be talking about the different products that you can invest in, because the unit trust is like the mother, but the mother has, you understand? So under the unit trust there are different products. Okay, we have different fund products that are under the unit trust, and that's what we are going to talk about in the next video. Please do like, share, and comment. I love you all. May the good Lord bless you, and may you make the rightful financial decisions. See you guys in another one.